everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Speak Easy English. I'm Lisa, and as always, I'm here with my wonderful co-host, Tommy. Today we have something really exciting lined up for you. I'm going to reveal 5 powerful speaking secrets that will transform the way you communicate in English. These are tips that native English speakers use all the time, and now it's your turn to know them too. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Hi, Lisa, and a big hello to all of our amazing English learners out there. I'm Tommy. I'm excited. I know these secrets are going to be game changers for our listeners. Let's start with secret number 1, Lisa.
All right. Secret number 1 is use transition signals effectively. Now, transition signals are like bridges that connect your thoughts when you speak. They make your speech flow more smoothly. Instead of just using simple words like and or but, it's time to level up with more advanced phrases.
I love this one. So, what are some of these powerful transition signals?
Great question, Tommy. Here are a few examples. If you want to add information, you can use words like furthermore, in addition, or moreover. If you're showing contrast, use phrases like on the other hand, however, or nevertheless. And if you want to show results, try consequently, as a result, or therefore.
These really make a difference, and they make your speech sound much more professional. So, why is it so important to use transition signals, Lisa?
Well, Tommy, there are 3 big reasons. First, they make your speech flow more naturally, like a river that smoothly connects different ideas. Second, they help organize your thoughts logically, making it easier for your audience to follow. And third, they guide your listeners, just like road signs, helping them navigate through your message.
I get it now. Transition signals are crucial. Now, let's move on to secret number 2. What is it, Lisa?
Secret number 2 is employ the rule of 3. This technique involves grouping your ideas in sets of 3. It's a powerful speaking strategy that keeps your audience engaged and makes your speech more memorable.
I've heard this one before. So, what do you mean by grouping in threes?
It's all about rhythm. When you present 3 points, it sticks with your audience. Let me give you some examples. For instance, instead of just saying, the restaurant was good, you could say, the restaurant was cozy, affordable, and delicious. See how much stronger that sounds.
Absolutely. That has a much better flow. And you're right. It makes it easier to remember. What's the reasoning behind it, Lisa?
Great question, Tommy. There are 3 main reasons why the rule of 3 works. First, it makes your message more memorable. Our brains naturally retain things better in groups of 3. Second, it adds rhythm to your speech, like music to the ear. And third, it emphasizes key points by giving your ideas structure and strength.
Love it. Now, let's move on to secret number 3. What's next, Lisa?
Secret number 3 is use purposeful repetition. This means repeating key points or ideas in different ways to make them stick in your listener's mind. It's all about emphasizing what matters most.
Purposeful repetition. Sounds interesting. Could you give us an example, Lisa?
Of course. For example, you could say, learning English takes time. Time to practice. Time to make mistakes. Time to improve. Notice how repeating time creates a pattern that makes the idea stronger. It sticks in the listener's mind.
I see how that would work. It really highlights the importance of the message. What are the key benefits of using repetition?
There are 3 main reasons why purposeful repetition is so effective. First, it reinforces your message, just like hammering a nail makes it stick. Second, it creates memorable patterns, making your speech easier to remember. And third, it naturally builds emphasis, making sure your main points stand out.
That's powerful. Now, let's get into secret number 4. What's it all about, Lisa?
Secret number 4 is start with what is known. This means beginning with familiar information before introducing something new. It's like climbing stairs. You start at a place you're comfortable with, and then move up to something more complex.
That sounds like a great way to keep things clear. Can you give us an example, Lisa?
Sure. For instance, I love coffee. This delicious drink helps me start my day. Most people can relate to coffee. And then you build on it by explaining the benefits of coffee, like how it helps with focus.
Starting with something familiar makes the new information easier to digest. What are the main benefits of this approach?
Well, there are 3 reasons why starting with what is known works. First, it makes complex ideas easier to follow. Second, it creates a smooth progression, guiding your listener from the familiar to the new. And third, it keeps your audience engaged by starting with something they understand.
I love that. Now, let's wrap it up with secret number 5. What's the final secret, Lisa?
Secret number 5 is end with impact. The last thing you say should have the most power and emphasis. It's like saving the best for last.
Ending with a bang. How do you do that?
Exactly. For example, instead of saying, I got promoted today, the exciting news is that I received a promotion, you can say, today at work, I received a promotion. It's the exciting news I've been waiting to share. Notice how it builds anticipation before hitting the big reveal.
That's such a powerful way to finish. What makes this secret so effective?
There are 3 reasons why ending with impact works. First, it makes your message more memorable. People tend to remember the last thing they hear. Second, it gives your message natural emphasis. And third, it helps you structure your thoughts better, making sure your important points land at the end.
I love how all these secrets come together to make your speaking stronger. So, to sum it all up, we've covered 5 powerful secrets that will transform your English. 1. Use transition signals effectively. 2. Employ the rule of 3. 3. Use purposeful repetition. 4. Start with what is known. 5. End with impact.
Exactly, Tommy. And don't forget to practice these secrets in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. And we're sure you'll see a huge improvement in your English speaking skills.
Before we wrap up, Lisa, I think it's time for a little fun. You promised us a story.
Yes, it's story time. So let me tell you about this one time when I was in South Korea. One Saturday night, my friend and I were at this amazing food festival, and we stood in line for over 40 minutes at a food truck that was serving Italian food. We thought, what could it be? We were shocked at how delicious it was. We loved it so much that we went back for seconds, after waiting in line for another hour.
That sounds like an unforgettable experience. Food can really make a lasting impression. Thanks for sharing, Lisa.
I hope you enjoyed that story, and I hope it inspires you to try something new, whether it's food or language learning. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak Easy English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Keep practicing and keep improving your English.